Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at the 2024 Toyota Corolla, a car that needs no introduction. It's a staple in the compact car segment, known for its reliability and practicality. But is it still the sensible choice in 2024? Let's jump in and find out. First impressions, the Corolla comes into body styles, sedan and hatchback. The design isn't going to win any awards, but it's clean and inoffensive. It definitely looks more mature than some of its competitors. The Toyota Corolla goes dark for 2024 with the return of the Nightshade Edition. The appearance package builds on the SE trim level, adding the likes of bronze wheels and dark badging. Nightshade Corolla hatchbacks get a black roof and a vented sport wing. The Corolla uses a 169 HP 2.0-liter four-cylinder that sends power to the front wheels through a continuously variable automatic transmission CVT. While all hatchbacks share that same powertrain, the sedan also offers a hybrid powertrain. Our tests of the Corolla SE hatchback and the Corolla XS sedan proved that even the strongest engine doesn't deliver adequate acceleration. The Toyota twins were quite prudent around town and steady on the highway. However, unfortunately, hard acceleration produced coarse engine sounds that diminished their refinement. The all-wheel drive hybrid model we tested hit 60 miles per hour in a rather leisurely 9.0 seconds, while the last hatchback model we had in for testing did it in 8.3 seconds. Both the Corolla sedan and the hatchback have a pleasant ride quality that adequately isolates all but the worst bumps. Their controlled body motions also provide better agility than previous iterations. The Corolla SE and XSE further separate themselves with a stiffer sport-tuned suspension and the latter's larger 18-inch wheels. Everything else rides on either 15 or 16-inch rims. Still, compared with athletic and engaging rivals, such as the Mazda 3 and Honda Civic, the Corolla's progressive steering is satisfactory but not exemplary. While neither Corolla body style had impressive results in our 70 mph to 0 braking test requiring between 174 and 183 feet, their brake pedals were dependable and responded naturally to inputs. Along with a fuel-efficient four-cylinder, the Corolla sedan offers an immensely thrifty hybrid model. The EPA estimates the front-drive hybrid will earn 50 mpg city and 43 mpg highway, while the all-wheel drive one is rated for 47 mpg city and 41 mpg highway. Comparatively, the government estimates the non-hybrid 169 HP 2.0-liter engine will earn up to 41 mpg highway. The all-wheel drive hybrid we tested earned 40 mpg on our 75 mph fuel economy route. The gas-only Corolla XS sedan with front-wheel drive we tested saw 41 mpg. The Corolla hatchback is rated up to 32 mpg city and 42 mpg highway. The hatchbacks we tested earned 40 and 36 mpg, respectively. Inside, the Corolla hatchback and sedan share a streamlined dashboard and soft touch materials. Most models have passive entry and push-button start. Others can also be upgraded with ambient interior lighting, dual-zone climate control, and heated front seats. Those who regularly have backseat passengers should consider the sedan over the hatchback since it has considerably more legroom behind the front seats. The Corolla hatchback has 18 cubic feet of cargo space behind its back seat, but it only fit to carry on bags back there in our testing. However, the new no-cost enhanced cargo space option expands that area by 6 cubic feet 23 total by replacing the spare tire with the tire repair kit. While the sedan only has 13 cubes of trunk volume, we squeezed 8 bags inside. Both body styles had inferior interior cubby storage compared with some more capacious rivals. Thankfully, there's a convenient tray at the front of their center console and a useful bin below the armrest. Every Corolla has a touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility and a subscription-based Wi-Fi hotspot. Top options include wireless charging and an upgraded JBL audio system. The price of the 2024 Toyota Corolla starts at $23,145 and goes up to $28,345 depending on the trim and options. So, there you have it, the 2024 Toyota Corolla, with its stylish design, comfortable interior, efficient performance, and advanced safety features. It's clear why the Corolla remains a popular choice. Whether you're a first-time buyer or looking for a reliable daily driver, the 2024 Corolla is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more car reviews and automotive content. See you next time.